Okay, so here's my temporary power pole. So I have got to get this put in the ground. I have an auger that I got on Amazon to do that. So I need to get this stuff brought up the hill. And I think I'm just going to drag it with the winch. Of course, I forgot my GoPro. I didn't get this.
3.
All right, we need to dig a little bit more out of there. Okay, so here's what we got going on. Try this out. Attach that to itself. Go through that right there, or over the very top if you can reach it. If you can throw it over the top, that's fine too. Over the door is what I'm saying. Try to get it over the top of the door if you can. Okay, now grab the other side. Okay, now figure out some way to attach it over there somewhere. This is to hold it in place. Now I have to go up there. Okay, now that that is in, I need to put the box up. I need to attach the box to it, and they're going to come out tomorrow and turn it on, so I need to get that put on. Okay, I am finished with that. So I just used lag bolts, 3-inch lag bolts. Put 2 up there, 1 there and 1 there. And so they'll come out tomorrow. The power pole, I don't know if it's going to pick up through the woods, but it's right there out by the street. And this was the marker. It used to be over here. I moved it when I was doing the work with the skid steer. Originally the pole was going to go right here, but I don't want it that close to me trying to get these other containers in here. So this is where we opted to put it. And then they'll come in and run this, hook this all up. This is the ground rod. And that's where the meter will go. And this is the outlets that I'll have temporarily to use until we get regular power. But it will run probably off the same pole or a pole similar, close enough to that, and it will go probably to that back wall back there. That's where I'm going to do the plumbing and electric and everything through the back. And then Dale's, we're thinking about doing underground, so we'll just use a trencher and go, you know, down and to his. So that's the plan.